Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Minus watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. In this video, we are going to see how to install MongoDB in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. So we are going to install MongoDB, the latest version in Windows 10. So first we need to visit MongoDB download. Okay, so let's directly search this MongoDB download and let's click on community server download, and then we have option to download. Here we have to select the version, the latest one. Let's go with the 8, MongoDB 8, and this is the installer type. Okay, so we can select MSI and the platform Windows like 64-bit, right? You can also install for Mac OS, Ubuntu, and I think Debian. So there are different platforms are there, so for that you can download it. So let's click on download, and once it's download, when we will start with the installation bar. So it's started downloading. It will take little time. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and then click on bell icon for more updates, so that you get the more and more videos early possible and I upload, right? So let's wait for this one. So it's downloaded now. Let's click on open. So this is the open icon. So let's click on this. Click on next, accept, next. I can choose the custom. This will require mode. So in custom, what are the things are there in MongoDB? This one, and server will install, router it will install, miscellaneous tool. So these are the things is going to be installed. If I go with complete, it will install all of the things, right? So let's click on complete, and okay, so you will click on complete, and let's click on next, and again check install MongoDB Compass also, and click on next. Let's install this one.